In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome keeps crashing on Windows 11. If Google Chrome keeps crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly on your Windows 11 computer, one of the simplest things you can do is make sure the browser is fully updated and then clear out old browsing data that may be causing conflicts. I'll walk you through this step by step so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can access the browser's settings and maintenance options. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can manage updates, privacy options, and other browser features. On the left side, look for About Chrome and click it. As soon as you open that section, Chrome will usually begin checking for updates automatically. If an update is available, let it download and install completely. Keeping Chrome updated is important because updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and stability patches that can stop repeated crashing issues. If Chrome finishes updating, you may see an option to relaunch the browser. If that appears, go ahead and do it so the update can fully apply. After that, return to the Settings area and click Privacy and Security. This section contains tools related to your browsing history, cookies, cached files, and other stored browser data. Next, click Delete Browsing Data. A window will appear with options for removing stored information from Chrome. In many cases, corrupted cache files or old browsing data can interfere with how websites and the browser itself work, which may lead to crashes. Click Delete Data to remove that stored data and give Chrome a cleaner start. Keep in mind that clearing browsing data may sign you out of some websites, so you may need to log back in afterward. That's normal. Once the data has been deleted, use Chrome again and see if the crashing problem improves. This quick cleanup, along with updating the browser, often resolves common stability issues on Windows 11. If you followed everything carefully, Chrome should now run more smoothly and crash less often. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix the problem quickly.